Hello everyone, it's Kelly Harris here from the Detailing Centre. This next video you're about to watch is on a Lamborghini Aventador SV transformation. I decided to publish this job brief even though it was way back in 2016. Hopefully you enjoy it for a bit of fun, bit of education. Keep watching, stay tuned. In this video you will see custom wheel painting, paint protection film removal and replacement, custom pinstripe painting, brake caliper repaint, and of course detailing and Gtechniq ceramic coatings. This Lamborghini was owned by one of my long-term clients. Over many years of using my services, we had established rapport and trust that he would simply leave his car with me, then I'd get back to him with all the viable options and services I offered. The very first thing I did was give the Lamborghini a very good wash using Gtechniq wash products to clean all the surfaces to make them as clean as possible before an inspection could take place. Once the Lamborghini was washed and dried, it was driven inside and up onto the second floor level. It's now time to inspect the factory finish and to remove the PPF that was installed by the local Lamborghini dealership. As you can see underneath the paint protection film, and not a surprise to me, are factory defects including sanding marks, poorly aligned PPF and rotary buffer lines. I'm sure there will be someone who comments on the technique of the PPF removal. Let me explain the reasons behind the method you're seeing of removal. The original PPF had only been on for a very short period of time, and it was also very hot in the workshop as it was midsummer while working on this car. This made the PPF removal a breeze and made it safe for me to remove in a pulling backward motion. Yet more buffer lines from factory polishing. I documented each piece of PPF that I removed so that I could always reference back if it was matte, satin or a gloss finish. A few days later, after discussing with the owner my findings from the inspection, I decided to place the Lamborghini back downstairs onto the scissor lift as this gave me a better access for capturing the serious amounts of sanding marks and poor polishing. I've lost count of the amount of times I've been told by customers my car doesn't need polishing, just coatings, as it's a brand new car. Just like this Lamborghini in this video is a brand new car. Customer asked if I could paint his brakes in body colour instead of the black finish. More to come in this video, stay tuned. Here is a time-lapse footage of myself removing the rear screen so I could carry out some bespoke work seen later in this video. And here you can see the bespoke work, which is painting a body colour pinstripe on the rear diffuser. Here are those black brakes removed, prepped and primed, ready for colour change. After the stickers were applied, the brakes are then clear coated. The first layer of protection is Gtechniq Crystal Serum. The eagle-eyed will notice XOV2 and now in 2025 we're on revision V5. This is the second layer of protection in the Gtechniq suite. Now onto the wheels and the bespoke pinstripes. The wheels in this montage are not the Lamborghini wheels, but I wanted to show the processes that are involved when wheels are refurbished in the correct manner using the best methods, which should never be compared to smart repairing. Here are those Lamborghini wheels being checked for straightness. After the wheels were primed and powder coated black, they were then masked ready for the orange pinstripe using solvent base coat. Then finally a clear powder coat is applied. The next stage was to polish every possible surface to achieve flawless finish. Yes, there was even sanding marks on the inside of the fuel flap. How good do those brakes look? Here is something that may seem odd. Yes, the coatings are being applied to the underneath and shut lines first. There's a good reason for this. While installing PPF, it is possible that light staining from slip and tack solutions can happen, so it made sense to protect those delicate areas as a precaution. Did you notice XOV3? Whilst this Lamborghini was in the workshop, a newer version had just been released. Here you can see a strip of masking tape being removed. This was to stop any Gtechniq coatings being applied to the edges of the panels where the PPF is tucked and stuck down. Here is the paint protection film being applied. As you can see in the footage coming, every single attempt was made to create the cleanest, most flawless installation. I often get asked, what is the best job or the best car I've worked on? I believe this Lamborghini as a transformation is certainly in the top 10 cars I've ever done. The owner kindly allowed me to use his car as a demo car at a Waxstock show that year. This show is a detailing specific show. This is what all that hard work was for, that customer reaction that never gets old.
Yeah, that's right. And it shouldn't be gloss. It looks alright. It looks alright. I'll show the engine, look.
It just looks. I don't know if I'm taking pictures because it's my.
Yeah, but when we said it, you're going to get the proper
do it justice.
full resolution photos. At that moment, they're all resized.
I don't know how close that's going to be in colour, but look what I bought from my garage. It's as close as I could get. Because I had a little bar fridge, so when I'm out there popping around and stuff, and I found an orange
Yes,
one.
the owner brought an orange fridge to match his
The
car.
present I got you yet? But you won't be able to. You come in a Ferrari and you can't take it. But when you come to get the Ferrari, you have to come in something large. I'll show you upstairs.
Oh, thank you.
See what I've got. But yeah. I mean, there's a lot of people that looked at it and gone, that is amazing.
It does.
The car, the look, the wheels.
It just pops, doesn't it? Like properly pops.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you really enjoyed this video. There'll be more videos coming in the future, so like and subscribe. I'm Kelly Harris. Thank you and goodbye.